Hello and welcome to Lee Creates. I'm Lee. I'm in Australia and I'm having fun by taking part in this challenge throughout July called Junk Journal July. So it is hosted by Meg from Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. So there's 31 prompts for you to create a page or some sort of ephemera in your junk journal throughout July, or whenever you feel like you want to do them. In my video description box there's a link to Meg's introductory video and a link to also get the prompts. So if you want to take part, just head over there. And in the meantime, I hope you enjoy this one. Hi everyone, welcome to day 7 of Junk Journal July for 2024. So this is an open collaboration hosted by Meg from Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. So it's 31 prompts for you to do in your junk journal. A link to Meg's channel with a link that also to the prompts, etc., is in my video description box if you want to take part in this. You don't have to do the days as in their order. You can do them in any order you like. You can do whatever you like and whenever you like. So window is today's prompt, and I've got this lovely little old photo here. Well, it's not a genuine photo, but I'm going to use that as my focal point in today's spread. And I'm thinking maybe I could make a window out of something and pop that in. It might need to be cut down a bit, I think. I don't know whether to go 2 pages or 1. I think I'll go 2. I'm going to collage some stuff down on here first. Something a little bit neutral.
through the arbor, in the garden room. Wings are beating, baby, me and you alone. Pencil drawing phases of the moon, all through the stages, both becoming seen into. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond. Phosphorescence.